We are trying to provide the best user experience for our merchants with the different sales channel integrations. As demand integration squad engineers, our responsibility is to make sure that merchants are able to connect to Shopify, Etsy, eBay or Amazon, to publish their products on our side that we can import orders and send tracking information back. There can be different challenges in our daily work. For example, we need to handle Etsy API version updates. So here in Printify, we need to follow all the required changes and make sure that merchants won't be affected in any way. Another challenge is related to the load on the system. We're importing hundreds of thousands of orders each day, millions each month. For me as an engineer, it means that the systems I design and build should be able to handle such load and be reliable so no single order is missed. The coolest and interesting part of our job for me is when we develop a new feature or integration for the merchants and we receive an awesome feedback from them. I like the feeling that we can provide a great value to our merchants.